Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your PayPal account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. On the website, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the app, tap on your profile picture or the settings option. Step 3. Find security settings. In the settings menu, look for the security tab. Click on it to access security options for your account. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Locate the option for two-factor authentication or two-step verification. Click on it and follow the prompts to enable the feature, choosing a preferred method of receiving the verification code text message or authentication app. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your preferred method, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code to confirm your setup. Make sure to save any changes before exiting the settings menu. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your PayPal account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your recovery options updated for added security.